Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk cash. More specifically, let's talk about your Cash App card getting blocked. Ever woken up to a notification saying your card's been locked? Or maybe you've been trying to make a purchase and bam, declined. Not cool, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would Cash App block my card? It's a legit question. Cash App is all about convenience, right? So, why would they lock you out? Well, stick around because we're about to dive deep into this. First things first, let's get one thing straight. Cash App, like any financial service, takes fraud seriously. They want to protect your money, and that means protecting your card. So, if their system flags something suspicious, your card might get the freeze treatment. But what exactly sets off these alarms? We're talking about things like unusual spending patterns. Let's say you're a low-key spender, but suddenly, there's a bunch of purchases from different cities. Cash App might raise an eyebrow. Or maybe you've linked your card to a bunch of new devices or tried to transfer a big chunk of money. Again, red flags. Now, don't panic if your card gets locked. It doesn't necessarily mean you're in trouble. Cash App usually gives you a chance to verify your identity. They might ask for a selfie, or maybe they'll need to confirm your location. It's all about making sure it's actually you using the card. But what if you're innocent? What if you've done nothing wrong? Well, it happens. Sometimes, systems make mistakes. If you find yourself in this situation, don't hesitate to contact Cash App support. They're there to help, and they can usually sort things out pretty quickly. Alright, let's talk about preventing your card from getting blocked. It's all about building trust with Cash App. Keep your account information up to date, use strong passwords, and be mindful of your spending habits. And hey, if you're planning a big purchase or a trip, it might be a good idea to give Cash App a heads up. So, can your Cash App card be blocked? Absolutely. Is it the end of the world? Not necessarily. Understanding why it happens and knowing what to do can save you a lot of hassle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and keep your Cash App game strong.